You know this? You have dozens or hundreds of clips from different cameras and all named with chaotic file names like C001 or A001, and no one knows what's behind. With my clip renamer for DaVinci Resolve, you can clean that up in seconds. Only one click and every clip gets automatically its scene number, its camera ID, its take number and its clip color. Let me show you how it works. The tool actually consists of two parts, a builder and a renamer. In the builder module you define your bean names, you assign the camera short names and set the clip color for each camera. When you click the Generate Script button, the builder automatically creates a custom renamer script, based on your setup, including all beans, camera IDs and colors. You only need to run the builder script once, as long as you don't change anything in your template, for example your bean names or camera structure. After that, you simply use the renamer script whenever you need to rename your clips. Now let's use the previously built renamer script itself. The clips from my iPhone 11 belong to the scene River. The clips from my iPhone 15 camera shall be the scene Forest. And the clips from the X5 camera shall be the scene Winter. At this point, one important hint. Because you are the only one who knows which clip belongs to which scene, you need to input the scene name in the metadata. For this, you can select all the take clips which belong to one scene at once, input the scene name and click Save. All our clips have now defined their scene, and it's time to run our renaming script. We click Workspace, Scripts, Rename Clips Custom. It's working. And we have a result. As you can see, our clips have now a new naming scheme. At first the scene name, Forest, the camera number, and the automatically counted take number. And this scheme is valid for all the beans we have predefined in our builder script. One click, done. All the clips now automatically numbered, neatly named and color-coded. Before chaos, now structure. Please let me know in the comments how your clips get organized in your timeline. If you liked that video and found it useful, please give me a little thumbs up. I hope to see you soon with my next video here. Till then, have a good time and bye-bye. And if you are interested to use the script, you can find the link for the download in the description.